Hello students, as we are doing the chapter number 11, dual nature of matter and radiation. So today we are going to discuss about the photoelectric effect. What is photoelectric effect? In photoelectric effect, electrons, EM waves. EM waves are incident on metal surface and electrons ejects out from the surface of matter. Okay, in the photoelectric effect, when EM waves of suitable frequency, you can say that there is a special frequency required for the photoelectron or emission to takes place. So in photoelectric effect, there is a metal surface. For example, this is a metal plate. Okay, on this metal plate EM waves are incident. EM waves can be UV rays, X rays, okay, visible light, red light, blue, yellow, etc. So EM waves are incident on metal surface. They carry energy with them. These EM waves carry energy with them, and they collide with the electrons of the metal. These electrons will obtain the energy of EM wave. These electrons are present here na. Electrons will absorb the energy from the EM waves and they will eject out from the metal surface. Okay, they will move out from the surface of metal. This phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. So let us discuss about the experimental setup for photoelectric effect. Yes students, let's discuss about the experimental setup for the photoelectric effect. So this setup consists of a glass tube or a quartz tube. Okay, here is a glass tube or a quartz tube like this. This is the glass tube. This is a glass tube. Okay, and here is the metallic plate, or you can say that this is photosensitive plate. Here is a plate known as photosensitive plate. Okay, and there is a small opening here, small opening. From these opening, here is any source, and from this source EM waves are coming. Okay, EM waves are coming from this source and they are striking the metal surface. Okay, they are striking the metal surface. Here is another metallic plate, and through this metallic plate wires are connected. Okay, through this metallic plate wires are connected, and here an ammeter is connected, or you can say that microammeter is connected to measure how much current is flowing in this circuit. And also there is a voltmeter which will measure how much potential difference we have given across these two plates. Okay, and they are connected with the help of a voltage source. Okay, but this voltage source is variable here. Okay, this voltage source is variable here. So nothing complicated is present here. There are two metal plates. Okay, there are two metal plates, and through these metal plates connecting wires are taken. From this metal plate an ammeter is connected. Across these two metal plates we are applying the variable voltage now. So to measure how much voltage is applied to through this metal plate, we have connected a voltmeter. Okay, so this is the experimental arrangement of a experimental setup for a photoelectric effect. Okay, this is the experimental setup for a photoelectric effect. Now we can change the polarity also. Okay, we can reverse the polarity also. Suppose this is the plate C and this is A. C stands for cathode, A stands for anode. Okay, C stands for cathode, A stands for anode. So we can incident any of the EM wave. Okay, so different EM waves have different frequency na. So one of the factor in this effect is different nu, because we can incident different frequency, we can have different frequency. Okay, also we are incidenting the different waves, so its intensity can be different. So different intensity can be there. इंटेंसिटी क्या है? नंबर ऑफ एनर्जी पार्टिकल्स फॉलिंग पर सेकेंड पर यूनिट एरिया. ठीक है, सो इन EM वेव्स की कोई ना कोई इंटेंसिटी होगी. ठीक है, इंटेंसिटी मीन्स 1 सेकेंड में पर यूनिट एरिया. जैसे मेटल प्लेट है तो इसका इतना सा एरिया ले लिया हमने. ठीक है, इस एरिया में कितनी EM वेव्स के एनर्जी पैकेट्स आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, EM वेव्स के एनर्जी पैकेट्स आ रहे हैं तो 1 सेकेंड में. ठीक है, 1 सेकेंड में गिवन एरिया में से, ए एरिया में से, ठीक है, हाउ मच एनर्जी पार्टिकल्स आर इंसिडेंट. ठीक है, जितने ज़्यादा एनर्जी पार्टिकल्स आएंगे उतना एनर्जी इंटेंसिटी ज़्यादा होगी, जितने कम आएंगे उतनी इंटेंसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? कम हो जाएगी. ठीक है, सो वन ऑफ द फैक्टर इज डिफरेंट फ्रिक्वेंसी, वन इज सेकेंड इज डिफरेंट इंटेंसिटी, नेक्स्ट इज करंट. क्योंकि देखो यहाँ वोल्टेज वेरी कर रही है, वेरिएबल वोल्टेज है. ठीक है, यानी डिफरेंट वोल्टेज इज अनदर फैक्टर है. वोल्टेज इज ऑल्सो देयर. ठीक है, एंड डिफरेंट करंट इज ऑल्सो देयर. ठीक है, वोल्टेज वेरी करेगी, करंट भी हमारा क्या करेगा? वेरी करेगा. ठीक है, सो ये हमारे पास डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स हैं. वन इज इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रेडिएशन, सेकेंड इज फ्रिक्वेंसी ऑफ इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन, थर्ड इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लेट्स A and C, and another is nature of material of plate C. Okay, nature of material of plate C, यानी हमने यहाँ पे कौन सी प्लेट ले रखी है? जिंक मेटल की ली है. ठीक है, एल्यूमिनियम की ली है, मैग्नीशियम की ली है. कौन सा मेटल हमने यूज़ किया है उसके नेचर पे भी क्या करेगी? ये डिपेंड करेगी. ठीक है, एंड वन ऑफ द फैक्टर इज करंट ऑल्सो. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? ग्राफ प्लॉट्स करेंगे. ठीक है, क्या करेंगे? ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे. तो कोई 2 फैक्टर्स को कांस्टेंट रख देंगे हम. इसमें 4 फैक्टर्स आते हैं ना. ग्राफ तो किस में प्लॉट करेंगे हम? X और Y में.